Harbor Freight released what day 2 is going to be. It's going to be on a couple generators. So the deals are going to be on a 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator for 900 bucks, which is saving 400. And then the 3,500 super quiet inverter generator is going to be on sale for 575, saving 225. I'll show you the two different options as well as discuss their features. All right, first I'll cover the Predator 3,500 super quiet inverter generator. So it's rated at 3,500 max starting watts and 3,000 running watts. It only runs on gasoline, so it's not a dual fuel or anything like that. It does have a 30 amp plug as well as two regular 120 volt outlets. It even has parallel outlets, so you could pair two of them together to stack the power on. It does come equipped with 4 wheels, so you can move it around easily, but it just does not have a handle on the bottom like the 5,000 watt generator does. It is rated at 57 decibels as far as the sound level goes. So it's supposedly more quiet than a conversation, and it's definitely quieter than a lawnmower and a jackhammer. So as I mentioned, the price is going to be $575, which is saving 225 bucks. This will be a better deal here on day 2, which is going to be Saturday the 18th. Better off picking up on this day if you're in the market for this one, because during the parking lot sale, it's going to be 600 bucks. So it's going to be an extra $25 during the August parking lot sale. So on day 2, savings is going to be 28% off. And during the parking lot sale, it's going to be 25% off. And the next generator is going to be on the Predator Tri-Fuel 13,000 watt gas generator. So it does run on gasoline, propane, as well as natural gas. And this tri-fuel generator is rated at 10,000 max running watts for gasoline, 9,100 watts for propane, and 7,800 watts for natural gas. So just be aware of that. So you have to calculate out what you're going to be running on it. It is rated at 13,000 max starting watts. And it does also have the digital hour meter as well. This is going to be the biggest generator that they do offer. It does come equipped with a battery and offers remote start with a push button start and stop. It has GFCI protected outlets on it. As you see here, it has a 50 amp plug as well as some 30 amp ones. This is not going to be an inverter generator, just so you're aware of that. And this one I do believe comes with the wheels as well as the handle, so you can move it around easily compared to other models that don't come with the wheels and handle. You'd have to get that as a separate kit. It has a propane and natural gas connection through this port right here, and it has a battery charging port. So the day 2 deal is going to be priced at 900 bucks, which is saving $400 on that one. And this will be a better deal to pick it up on day 2 versus the parking lot sale, which during the parking lot sale, it's going to be priced at $949.99, which will be saving 27% then, which will be $350 off. So you will be saving an additional 50 bucks during day 2, which is going to be 31% off. Now, if you opt to get a extended warranty on it, I did have them quote what the extended warranty is, which would be based on the retail price. So it should be a little bit cheaper than what the actual price of the extended warranty is, which is going to be $389 roughly, just to give you a rough estimate as far as what the 2-year warranty would be. And then the 3,500 watt generator is going to be around $269 for the extended warranty. I do recommend opting to go for extended warranty just so you have that peace of mind. They do offer 1 and 2 year plans, just so you're aware of that. So it could be a little bit cheaper if you just go for a 1 year. And if you will be picking up a generator, I do recommend picking up some extra oil. So they do sell quarts of oil here. That's priced at $9, because there will be a break-in period for a generator, and especially if you're going to be running it for a long time, extended periods, you will have to do oil changes often. So be sure to be prepared and have extra oil on hand. And I also recommend adding some stable storage solution for your gasoline. That way it helps protect the gas as well as the motor in the generator, especially if it's going to be sitting for extended periods of time. It's better to use stable right off the bat. That's priced at $8 for the bigger bottle, which the stable is rated to keep gasoline fresh for up to 2 years. And if you're picking up a generator, I do recommend go ahead and get a cord so that way you can run equipment or tools or appliances off of it. They do have a couple different options by Predator. They have a 25-foot 30 amp plug, so this will work with either generator. And it is a flat cord with a clear extension end to it that has 4 plugs, and that's priced at $60. Whereas this other flat cord here, it's also a 30 amp plug. That one has 3 plugs on it, and that's priced at $50. And they also sell the other accessories to go along with the generators. So they have the natural gas hose kit by Predator, 25-foot one, that's priced at $50. And they have the parallel kit that would go for that other generator, the 3,500 watt one. So you can parallel them together. That's priced at $70. All right, that's going to be it for day 2 of the 10 days of deals. If you gain any value from this video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.